In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change TurboTax password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few smart tips to keep your account secure along the way. Start by opening TurboTax in your web browser and signing into your account if you aren't already. Once you're in, look to the upper corner of the screen for your profile or Intuit account menu. It may show your initials or say Intuit account. Click that to open your account options. From the account menu, choose Sign In and Security. This is where TurboTax and Intuit group all the settings related to how you access your account. It's the right place to manage your password, your sign-in preferences, and other protections. On the Sign In and Security page, find the option labeled Password and select it. This will take you to the dedicated password update section. Here, you'll see fields to create and confirm your new password. Before you type, take a quick look for any on-screen requirements. These often include minimum length, a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and sometimes special characters. Meeting these rules ensures your change will save without errors. In the new password field, enter a strong, memorable password you haven't used on other sites. A good approach is to build a passphrase that combines unrelated words with numbers or symbols. If there's a show or hide icon, you can tap it to check what you've typed and reduce mistakes. Then, in the Confirm Your New Password field, type the exact same password again. Be careful with capitalization and symbols. One small difference will prevent the change from going through. When both fields are filled and the requirements are met, click Save. If the Save button looks disabled, double-check that the two entries match and that you've satisfied every listed rule. After you click Save, wait for the confirmation message. That's your signal that the update worked. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Consider using a reputable password manager so you don't have to memorize complex passwords. Avoid reusing passwords from other accounts to reduce risk. If you're on a shared or public computer, sign out when you're done and close the browser. And if you ever run into trouble receiving security prompts, make sure your contact information in the same Sign In and Security section is up to date. That's it. You've successfully changed your TurboTax password. Thanks for watching and stay secure.